Grizzly here once again, and today we're going to tell you about the green roof. Now, as you can see, we're on the south side of the building, and here we have a little scale model of what's actually on top of the building. Now, you're probably wondering, why does it look so bad? Well, that's part of the byproduct of being within a naturalized area. What happened is, this is good access for raccoons, and they traverse up and down and do their business, number one and number two, and that has sort of killed the plant life that's in the middle, as well as they look for grubs and things like that, so they dig it up. So, let's head on up. We're on top of the Center for Urban Ecology, where as you can see, safety is the number one priority. We're all harnessed up and tied into the top of the building so we can get started. A very cool feature about this green roof is that there is no soil. Weight is a big problem in green roofs, and what we have done to mitigate that problem is that we have floored it with 1 square meter tile pads. These pads can actually hold 10 liters of water in them when there's rainfall. In these felt pads, we have 15 different species of plants called sedum. Now you're probably wondering, why 15 different species? That's because that gives it the greatest chance of survival in any climate around the world, from rainforest climate to North American climate to desert climates. When there's a drought, the sedum goes slightly reddish in color, and then upon the next rainfall, it returns to the luscious green that we see before me. Another important function of the green roof is that it acts as a barrier between the indoor temperature and the outside temperature. The sun and heat energy is actually absorbed by the plants, therefore it is not transferred to the inside of the building. The rest is then reflected back out to the atmosphere. Now in the wintertime, the opposite happens, whereby the heat of the building is trapped and kept inside, and there's very little to no escape to the outside. One of the main functions of the green roof here at the Center for Urban Ecology is in the control of excess rainwater. The rainwater that the pads can no longer hold drains down one of these pipes here to a 10,000 litre cistern that is located underground. And the water from the cistern we can then empty from this hose connection right here to water the surrounding plants of the Center for Urban Ecology, like this rain barrel. And there you have it, folks, the green roof. See you next time.